Alabama. 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 Oh, oh, oh. Alabama. Haiti. I'm in Alabama at the Skynyrd, I don't know, I guess warehouse. When it came in here, I turned around and came back out that way to start backing up, and I got here maybe around 5:50. So by the time I was doing that, it was after 6. And fucking late employees kept driving around me and drive around back to get into work because they're douchebags who can't get to work on time. Interrupt my shit. That's the kind of shit that stresses me out, makes me hit shit. Dumb fucks do that shit. Fuck you guys. With that said, the employees I talked to that were here on time were super, super nice. Very friendly people. Sister.
I guess you don't know everything about women yet.
Tennessee River.
So you can trade the presidential election.
Okay, something about these southeast states. All right, let's say you're in Wyoming, right? And there's an on-ramp and 4 or 5 cars are coming on. Well, there's a 99% chance, right? If they're ahead of you, you're not going to have to get over because you're in Wyoming. But if you're in Alabama and up ahead there's an on-ramp, there's 4 or 5 cars getting on, there's probably over a 50% chance you're going to have to get over. Because one of those fuckers is just going to want to drive 40 on the freeway. Sister. Okay, say way station half a mile. I don't understand these. Right, here's their way station, right here. It's just, they take a picture of you. Shut the fuck up. I don't understand that. I don't see anything in the road weighing you or anything. They just take a picture of you. Alabama, what are you doing? I don't understand that. Explain to me something. How that's a way station. Waffle House. There's a lot of those in the southeast. Okay, so I guess in Alabama, the DOT just randomly goes around to different highways and freeways and stops you and makes you weigh. I just saw that going the opposite way. Other states do that too, but I guess that's all they do.
I am more than brother and sister. We shared a womb. Came into this world together, we belong together.
Sister. Bye, Alabama. Hello, Tennessee. Okay, so this year for April 1st, I released 3 videos. For Nebraska, I couldn't decide if it was funnier to make a really short video and then just about corn, or put Children of the Corn stuff in. So I did both. And for Alabama, by the way, I really like Nebraska. It's probably my 3rd favorite state to drive in, but I didn't have a lot of footage, so I just made a couple dumb joke videos. And as far as Alabama goes, yeah, I know that joke's told over and over and over. I thought I did it in a unique way. Alabama's okay to drive in. It's okay. Better than Tennessee, I think. Yeah. And if you want to get offended, get offended. Whatever. Tennessee.
sister.